Total Experience naman ng kultura ng South Korea ang bida sa pagdiriwang na ika-75 taon ng bilateral relation ng Pilipinas at ng bansang South Korea. Ang iba pang highlights sa event na ito, panoorin po natin dito.
Abot kamay ang mga Korea Best Find products tulad ng food, cosmetic at amazing experience sa K-Culture Next Door Korea Festival 2024. Ang selebrasyon ay kaugnay sa 75th Bilateral Relations Celebration ng bansang Korea at Pilipinas na naglalayong palakasin ang suporta sa isa't isa.
This is, of course, a milestone year because we're celebrating 75 years of friendship between Korea and the Philippines. That's why what's special about this year is that we invited not only Korean artists but also Filipino traditional performers.
Makikita sa event ang samot-saring Korean products, mga pagkain, cosmetics at technologies.
This is like one of our biggest events na napapakita natin yung kultura ng Korea and na-share natin to Filipinos because as we know, Korean culture, the Hallyu wave is really big in the Philippines. So we hope through events or grand events like this, mas napapakilala namin yung Korea, the old and the modernized one.
Dumalo sa festival si Ambassador Lee Sang-hwa, Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines Director Kim Yong-jin, Mall President Stephen Tan, National Commission for Culture and the Arts OIC Admin Chief Bernan Joseph Corpus at FDCP President Joey Reyes. At isa nga sa inabangan ng mga audience ay ang South Korean indie rock band Hanabi na nagpakilig at nagpatili sa kanilang mga fans.
So if you're a fan of Korean culture or wants to know more about Korean culture, we invite you to our future events. We're bringing Korea Festival to Cebu on June 15 and 16. We're having K-drama OST concerts also, and of course the annual Korean Film Festival in September. So please follow KCC Phil on our socials and we hope to see you there.
Magkaiba man ang kultura at lahi. Sa pamamagitan ng pagiging bukas ng bawat isa na ipakilala at kilalanin ng pagkakaiba, ay nag-uugnay ng mas malalim na relasyon sa isa't isa.